Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up local delivery for your Wix online store. If you're running an online business and want to offer convenient delivery options to customers in your area, this feature will help you do exactly that. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Settings. This is where you'll access all the core configurations for your store, including shipping and delivery options. From here, you can preview your Wix account settings. Look for the section labeled Shipping, Delivery, and Fulfillment under the Business Solutions section. Click on it to open your Shipping and Delivery Management area. This is the hub where you'll control how orders are delivered to your customers. Now, you'll see options for both domestic and international shipping settings. Since we're looking to add a local delivery setup, focus on the domestic section. Click on Add another rate under that section. This will allow you to create a new delivery method specifically for local customers. A new window will pop up, prompting you to choose between shipping, local delivery, and pickup. From the options listed, click on Local Delivery. This tells Wix that you want to offer hand delivery within a specific area around your business location. All you have to do now is configure the delivery rate for your local delivery. Start by adding the rate from the drop-down menu. This is where you set how much you'll charge for local delivery, or you can offer it for free if you prefer. Next, set the area you wish to cover with local delivery. You can define this by radius or specific zones depending on how far you're willing to travel. Then, set a delivery time and fill in the field below with any additional details your customers might need, like estimated delivery windows or special instructions. Once everything is done and configured, simply click Add. This local delivery option will now be available for nearby customers at checkout. They'll be able to select it as their preferred delivery method, making it easier and faster for them to receive their orders. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.